Hey guys, so this arrived in the mail the other day. It's the forward rise Systems LOKKA, and look, before we install it, we're gonna open the box and see what's inside. Now, I thought I'd share this with you. I haven't opened the box yet. It's been killing me. It's just been sitting there begging, but I figured that we may as well enjoy the excitement together. So, all right, this is like Christmas time. What have we got here? Looks like instructions. Oh, looks like we've got some pretty comprehensive instructions. All right, I'll have a good read of those later on before I stick it in the Patrol. All right, now the pièce de résistance. Aha! Oh wow, look at this. So we've got our left side and our right side, and some springs and locking pins, and all right, fairly simple looking device, but it's always the simple looking devices that have the most engineering that goes into them. So wow, there we go. So that is what's inside the box. So it doesn't look like it should take too long to install, but I'm leaving a full day to do it because I've got to pull the diff out of the Patrol. All right, stick around and we'll show you installing in the Patrol.